It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 23rd of September. As advertised, a very refreshing, cool air mass is settling over Alabama. It's the coolest morning since May. Here's the upper air look. Got that deep trough over the eastern states. That brought the cold front through here early yesterday. And yep, we've got some 40s this morning. 40s at places like Pell City, Gadsden, Cullman, and Haleyville. Low to mid-50s elsewhere. Just a beautiful day coming up today with sunshine in full supply. There's the watch warning map. Got flash flood watches today for parts of Pennsylvania, Maryland, and New York. Otherwise, things are quiet. A marginal risk of severe storms up on the Atlantic coast from near Virginia Beach up to New York City. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over New England. And day 3, Saturday, much of the country in a very dry, stable air mass. Rain for the next 7 days. How about nothing for much of Alabama in the deep south? That's the rain valid through the middle part of next week. A good chance to dry out. In the tropics, Peter has petered out. Rose has dissipated. Up in the North Atlantic, the remnants of Odette hanging around, and we got tropical depression number 18 in the Central Atlantic. If Odette redevelops, it'll just be looping around far from land. Obviously, the one to watch is Tropical Depression 18. This is forecast to become a major hurricane by early next week. But this thing will be gaining latitude, and again, this will be recurving well east of the United States. That recurve will likely happen east of the Leeward Islands, so that's great news. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 4. Big upper low near Detroit, trough over the east, and just a gorgeous fall day. Sunny, highs in the mid-70s, low humidity. Doesn't get any better. Tomorrow, again, we start the day in the 40s in many spots. The high will be in the upper 70s. The sky's sunny. A great night for high school football games tomorrow night. And Saturday, perfect for college football games across the Deep South. Lots of sunshine, the high close to 80. And Sunday will be a sunny day, the high Sunday in the low 80s. Go to next week. We're going to stay dry. This is Monday, low to mid-80s. Same thing on Tuesday and Wednesday. There's a week from today, Thursday the 30th, big upper low back over the Four Corners in the Southwest U.S., an upper high just north of us. And once again, we are dry as could be. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, October the 2nd, ridging in place. And once again, a dry air mass. And as we've been saying here, this is the driest time of the year, the end of September, October. This is fairly common for this time of the year. In fact, look at the rain for Birmingham, European ensemble, basically nothing for the next 15 days. The mean is under 1/2 inch. And next week will be warmer, but not too bad. Highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s. That's about average for late September. And the latest CPC outlook in the house, this is for September 30th through October the 6th. Temperatures here would be near or maybe a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.